Fall is here, and you know what that means. Cozy sweaters, warm drinks, and apples. Lots of apples.
But today, we're not baking pies or making cider, but oh no, we're turning these beauties into 3 stunning fall salads. Stay tuned till the end because the third one is my absolute favorite, and I'll share a simple dressing hack.
This is the secret ingredient that turns any salad into a restaurant-worth dish.
All right, let's kick things off with the Honeycrisp Harvest Salad. It's like autumn in a bowl.
Here's where the magic happens. Equal parts Dijon mustard and maple syrup, whisked together with a touch of apple cider vinegar and olive oil. Every bite hits you with something different. Crunchy apples, creamy goat cheese, that hint of roasted squash.
If fall had a flavor profile, this is it. Honestly, you could eat this and still feel virtuous enough for dessert later. No judgment.
Now, if you're craving something heartier but still bright and refreshing, let's make the Apple Walnut Cranberry Salad.
This one's all about texture. The crisp apple, crunchy walnuts, chewy cranberries tight. It's like a fall symphony in your mouth.
2 crisp Fuji apples, mixed greens, toasted walnuts, dried cranberries, feta cheese, and for the dressing, Greek yogurt, honey, and a squeeze of lemon. Fresh, creamy, and irresistibly bright.
We're skipping store-bought ranch and going creamy the healthy way.
Mix 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Add a pinch of salt, and that's it.
Look at that shine.
Yeah.
That creamy tang with the sweetness of the apples. Unreal.
Pro tip swim, if you want extra crunch, toss in some roasted pumpkin seeds. Trust me, it makes every bite feel like a mini explosion of fall.
This one's great for lunch meal preps too, since the apples stay fresh if you soak them in a little lemon water first. You'll thank yourself midweek.
Okay, ready for the showstopper? This one's cozy, warm, and ridiculously satisfying. The warm apple bacon Brussels salad.
2 cups shaved Brussels sprouts, crisp Granny Smith apple, smoky bacon, Parmesan, and toasted almonds.
Yep, right. Don't wash that pan yet. We're going to deglaze it with a splash of apple cider vinegar, a drizzle of honey, and a spoon of Dijon mustard. Let it bubble for 30 seconds, and you've got a warm, smoky dressing that'll coat everything beautifully.
You get that sweet apple, salty bacon, and nutty Brussels sprouts combo, and it's absolutely addictive.
All right, before we wrap up, here's my go-to fall dressing hack.
If you want that perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and savory in any salad, just remember this ratio. Just remember this ratio. 2 parts oil, 1 part acid, part sweet, and part punch. Shake it in a jar, taste, tweak, and boom, instant fall magic.
Just look at this lineup. 3 fall salads, each with its own personality.
The Honeycrisp Harvest Salad topo, light, elegant, and perfect for Sunday brunch. The Apple Walnut Cranberry Salad tifes, vibrant, hearty, perfect for meal prep or lunch on the go.
And the warm apple bacon Brussels salad, cozy, smoky, and irresistible for dinner.
Fall only comes once a year, Soar, and it's meant to be tasted, savored, celebrated. So grab some apples, light a candle, and let your kitchen smell like autumn again.
If you loved these fall salad ideas, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.